Oh, the air circulation and the factory is not using
If we keep ignoring it, then nothing will be left to enjoy it. We have to do something. Now, let's clean up together. I will pick up plastic trash. Sort the trash for recycling. Papers here, plastic here.
Plant the tree in the place. The tree is help clean the air. Yeah.
Don't forget to serve public to small and big. Right? We can make a difference for small.
If everyone have a same bits, imagine how the train will work now. Yeah.
Hey, want to help us plant more trees next weekend? Together, we protect our environment, our home.
Afternoon at the park, a bit messy with trash here and there. Why people gotta leave the trash everywhere? Like, come on.
I know, right? Earth's gonna be mad at us if we keep this up. Lol. Enggak. Tiga. Stop complaining, guys. Just put it in dustbin.
Fine, but let's make it fun. Whoever picks the least trash has to plant a tree.
Bad. Green Squad in action. Guys, imagine if everyone did this. The park would look super nice. Yeah, and the earth gets happy too. More green, less mess, good vibes only. Wow.
Okay, you win, Nayla. Tree planting on me.
See, helping the planet can be fun. Just with one trash, we can make it better.
Senang-senang bumi, tak perlu dibaca. Orang berbudi, kita berbahasa.
364 days later.
Kirana, what are you doing with that plant?
I'm joining the one person one time program. A student plant one tree for a green school.
Wow, it's so interesting. Can I join it?
Sure, let's plan together.
Planting one tree looks so simple.
Yes, but imagine if every student plant one tree, our school would become a forest of green.
It's so easy, but the impact is so big.
Exactly. A small action today can protect our future.
Let's build a greener future, starting from our school.
One person, one plant.
Plant a tree today, enjoy a greener tomorrow.
Let's show kindness to nature in our daily lives. Simple actions like reducing waste, cleaning our surroundings, planting trees, and caring for the environment can make a big difference. Nature gives us so much clean air, water, and beauty, so it's our responsibility to protect it. Start with small steps today, inspire others to do the same, and together we can create a greener world for the future.